We all raised our right hand high under freedom's open sky. Different boots, one call to serve, each with courage, heart and nerve. From every coast, from every town, we swore to never let her down. Men and women, side by side, we wore the flag with equal pride. We all stood tall, we all stood true, for the red, white, and the blue. From sea to sea, through rise and fall, we kept the promise, one and all. Different paths, one brotherhood and sisterhood that understood. No matter rank, no matter call, we all served, we all stood tall. To the army strong, the proud Marines, to Navy waves and Air Force dreams, Coast Guard hearts who guard the shore, Space Force eyes who watch once more. You built the bridge, you built the bridge, you held the line, you held the line. You gave your day, gave your day, your borrowed time, from every war, from every peace, you earned the right, to never cease. We're bound by more than uniform, by memories weathered, hearts still warm. No one stands alone out there, we've all been the ones who care. In every hush, salute or cheer, the mission lives, the bond stays clear. We all stood tall, we all stood true, for the red, white, and the blue. To every soul, who gave their all, we see you, and we stand in awe. Different names, one story told, in hearts of steel, in hands of gold. At the Veterans Freedom Hall, we thank you all for standing tall.